Hi, I have the August 2018 LookFantastic beauty box to show you. So I've actually taken it out of the external packaging and this is what it looks like. Very summery. Nice blue combination there. Inside it says Calon, beauty that is more than skin deep. Now this is the beauty box magazine. And we also have this month's, LUK magazine, which will make a very good read over the weekend when you're in the bath. And this month is themed Feel, Be and Look Fantastic. August is all about having confidence in your beauty regime and being the best you can be with the help of our Feel, Be, Look Fantastic beauty box. I think it's regimen, not regime. Feeling fantastic about yourself and having confidence in your skin encapsulates everything that we stand for. In this edit, we explore the story behind LookFantastic, an insight into how beauty and mindfulness go hand in hand, how to style the perfect brows, and a guide to cruelty-free beauty. Plus, we've got an exclusive feature from Filorga. So let's feel, be, and look fantastic together. And there is a spoiler for next month's box, which is the birthday edition. September is always an exciting time of the year for LookFantastic as it's our birthday month. 4th birthday. I've been a subscriber for 4 years now. Time flies, doesn't it? Feels like yesterday. 6 amazing products that are well worth celebrating. And one spoiler is the mini Eve Lom cleanser, possibly among the first balm or oil cleansers ever. Iconic product. I think I have about a dozen or so of these. And you also have a muslin cloth that goes with it. Very pleased to get another one, which means I don't have to buy it for ages. But I would like to try something new. So maybe, hopefully the other products are something else. And hopefully too many advent calendars will not be having this product because it's everywhere. I mean, you want to try new things, not same old, same old. So first, let's take a look at what this month's box contains. There's quite a bit of makeup, I see. Confession, apart from last month's spoiler of Milton Brown shower gel, I haven't actually looked up spoilers simply because I forgot all about it. So that's what's inside this month's box. Right, first up we have the Milton Brown body wash. Now the spoiler said that I'd be getting rhubarb, but I've actually got Pink Pepper Pod, which is my absolute favorite fragrance from Milton Brown. This smells beyond amazing. It's my favorite shower gel ever. And this is 100 ml. Very nice. Very pleased to get this. I would love to see a Milton Brown shower gel also in the LookFantastic Advent Calendar. And we've seen Milton Brown shower gels in the last 3 editions of the LookFantastic Advent Calendar. So hopefully they'll do 4 years running. Next up we have... Let's do the makeup. Nails Ink, Incredible, Double Shot Day, Intense Color Lip Glaze. Now, some of you may remember that I have actually reviewed an Ink.Redible or Incredible or INC Redible, whatever it's called, their matte liquid lipstick a few months ago. The link is here as well as in the description box below. Now, I'm very pleased to get another product from them. This is a lip gloss apparently, and the shade that I've got is Double Shot Day. Now, I don't wear lip gloss, and also I already have an INC Redible product, a lipstick, and this shade is going to be a bit too pale for me. So this is going to go into the giveaway box. Next up we have Erno Laszlo Firm and Lift Firmarine Lift Essence Lotion. Pamper dry skin after cleansing with the silky soothing toner. It's actually a toner. It says lotion here. Oh, that's weird. Now the product says Erno Laszlo Firm and Lift Firmarine Lift Essence Lotion, and the product card says Erno Laszlo Hydrafel Skin Supplement. Look at that. It says Hydrafel Skin Supplement over here. Now, I don't know if that is supposed to be the same thing. It says saturate a cotton ball, a cotton pad with enough toner. And here it says a watery gel-like essence. No, I think these are two different things, and the product cards actually got it wrong. Quite weird there. So this is the product. I love Erno Laszlo skincare and will be happy to try this out. And that it is very watery and gel-based will mean that it isn't awfully acneic. I don't know why they're saying Hydra-Felt Skin Supplement. It's clearly not that. And this is not a product that you apply using a cotton pad. That is not the texture for a cotton pad. It says shake and saturate a cotton pad. No, it doesn't move when you shake it. So I think the product card is wrong here. Oh well. So next we have something from Mio, the Yoga Soak brand, which I really love. This is the Boob Tube Multi-Action Bust Cream. Now, I don't know, I'm a bit iffy about receiving a bust cream in a beauty box. Bust creams, feminine wipes, vaginal washes, these are all things that I'd rather not see in beauty boxes, you know. There's a time and a place, I mean, not in beauty boxes. Lifestyle maybe, not beauty boxes. In beauty boxes I want makeup and skincare, and that's that. So I will be trying this out obviously because this is supposed to be a moisturizer that smooths and brightens the chest area, and it's rich in CoQ10 and is full of amazing active ingredients that will benefit your skin and slow down signs of aging. Suitable for all skin types from age 18 to 80. I agree, we do neglect the skin on the chest. We moisturize our faces nicely, even the neck, but we don't take it, you know, down to the décolletage. So I will be using this. That said, I would like to see other products rather than, you know, bust creams in beauty boxes. So the next thing is actually another makeup product. This is the Blink Brow Bar Mini Brow Build. And the shade is Indian Chocolate. Hopefully that will be deep enough for me. Let's see that. Yes, this is deep enough for my skin tone. Very nice. So a brow gel. Very, very pleased to receive this because I was actually running out of my Benefit Gimme Brow. So I'm glad to get this. Give yourself the illusion of thicker, fuller brows with this clever part gel, part cream brow mascara. This product will fill and color your eyebrows by attaching to brow hair, helping to fill sparse areas and creating a fabulously full and volumizing effect that will stay put all day or night long. Brilliant. I hope there are more brow products in the advent calendar. Now the next thing is a Balance Me Pure Skin Face Wash, 99% natural, contains grapefruit, frankincense and Roman chamomile oils. This gentle face wash will purify and refresh your complexion using some divine blends. Very pleased to get another face wash. You can never have too many cleansers. And this is sulfate free. Yes, it is sulfate free. That said, we've had, I think, 4 face washes in the last 3 LookFantastic beauty boxes. But being a cleansing junkie or cleanser junkie, I'm not complaining. Send us more as long as they're sulfate free, I say. So those are the 6 products in the LookFantastic beauty box this month. All very nice. I'm very pleased with everything. Kind of iffy about the breast cream. I will be using it, but I'd like to see other products, you know, not boob creams in beauty boxes. Not complaining, as I said. It's just that I'm iffy about receiving that sort of thing in beauty boxes. I'd rather have that space, you know, for makeup or skin care as such, or even hair care, rather than, you know, bust creams and vaginal washes and feminine wipes and that sort of thing. It is a growing trend in beauty boxes, I admit. So for those who came in late, LookFantastic ships worldwide. A box costs £15. It costs only up to 11 or 13, I think, if you go in for a long-term subscription, as I have done. So link to subscribe is in the description box below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button. And I'll speak to you in my next video.